Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Friday, 20th January. And very quickly, as always, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. I do have one PDF that I shared with the members, and this PDF is called Secrets on Fibonacci Trading. Okay, if you want to master the fibs, some sort of like when you went down there from there to there, that's gonna be the fib levels. Where is it trying to go? Where is this kid trying to go? Okay, so last time you can see it did went right on the 0.618. Do you see that? The fibs, guys, secrets on the fibs. If you want to actually download that one, join the Discord. Discord is fun, man. There's a lot of anything is on the Discord, like a lot of stuff are in the Discord as well. Now, continuing with the Bitcoin update, we do see a small rise of the Bitcoin as well, towards the upside a little bit, getting us excited, potentially building trust within the retail investors like you and me. And I've spoke about who are retail investors. Okay, people with less than one Bitcoin are known as shrimps. Yeah, shrimps. Now, anyway, I do not think that this green candles that you see has any sort of power. Now, reality, logical check of this green movement, if I turn on the volume, has failed. Why? Because again, volume divergences, okay? This happens again and again, and it mostly happens when you're in a downtrend. And when the price moved up, the last two green candles are moving down. That's not good, okay? That's not good. I just want you to judge for yourself, okay? Look at this last two green candles of Bitcoin and tell me what's going on. So this is your first candle. This is your second candle right there. Now the first green candle, which is this one, has a very, very, very big volume. The second green candle, which is this one right here, has a very, very, very small, tiny green candle. There's no volume, even though they're almost the same size, okay? They're almost the same size. It just says that this pump is a fake pump. It is fake, okay? Hence, it's proven through the volume, not me, not me. I don't say anything based on my own opinion. Now here we are, and we do have this 10 moving average. Now we've saw previously the 10 been crossed again and again, like it crossed here, failed the retest, crossed again, failed the retest, crossed again, failed the retest, made a hammer, and then from the hammer you went all the way down. Now this one's looking like a very extended flag, or a bear flag, very, very extended one, but we are technically in a downtrend, okay? Do not get excited about the green candles, because if you start buying here, what you're not realizing, you're buying in a downtrend nonetheless. It's just like buying right there, it's just like buying right here, it's just like buying right there again when it goes up, buying here again, buying this place, buying that place, and you're potentially gonna buy this place again just to see it go all the way down. Because I do think that Bitcoin hasn't really bottomed out, and the fact that it's now at $37,000 tells me that it's gonna go even way more down. Okay, it's not gonna stop here. I don't think it's gonna stop. Now, the potential play that could even happen for Bitcoin at the moment is, if I dive into the 4-hour time frame, I'm gonna tell you about this. First of all, I want to turn on the 55 EMA. Now look, we always get rejected at the 55. You went up the 55, rejection. You're going up for the 55 again, getting rejected. Now this one is also printing something known as a double top. So let's say you do go a little bit more higher to 37,000 or 38,000, round figure, okay? Round figure of the $38,000. You're putting in a first top, you're putting in a second top, and you're gonna have that neckline right there. And when you break the neckline, you're potentially gonna go from the top to the bottom. That's gonna drop you again if you break the neckline down to 32,444. Now, the same way you made the double top, there could be another scenario that you just go down like this and you make a double bottom. Who knows? And the correction right there, but I don't think so. I don't think so, because the technical target of this thing is to go down to 29K or perhaps even $28,000. That's my take. That's my take at the moment. And there's one more thing. I've already spoken about this one. If I dive into the monthly time frame, we never really closed below $34,000. I'm actually gonna remind you this again and again, that there are levels you have to watch and pay attention to. So $34,000, you always closed above it. Look, the body was always above it. What you saw here down was a wick to 28,000 and 29,000 two times on the monthly. As a matter of fact, three times on the monthly if you look at it this way. So there is a lot of strong support right there on $29,000. And that's what I've been saying yesterday. Maybe go down and make that double bottom. When you make the double bottom, you just continue to the upside and then you move to 150K. But the issue is that if you ever see Bitcoin close below $34,000 on the monthly time frame, I mean, the body should be below this red line. Just the way the body here was above the red line, the body should be below the red line, close like this. Then I think 29,000 is not going to be the final place to rest. Potentially you're going to go all the way down to $24,000. Maybe this could be a bottom of the fourth wave, then move for the fifth wave to 100K finally, that we've been waiting for. But I do think still that this year alone we have 11 months left to see, and by this year alone, who knows, get 100K Bitcoin. It could do it, man. I mean, this is Bitcoin after all. Look at how this goes up. I mean, it does go down 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Now I understand. Now I understand. So we are gonna actually go down in February as well. I just noticed it while talking, actually. So here we are on the monthly time frame. Yeah, the demons out there, the bears out there. Yes, the bears out there. I'm gonna tell you. You see this candlestick you saw, and that candlestick you saw, and this candlestick you saw. Why didn't I just realize this in the past videos as well? These are known as the three black crows, just like you have a three white soldier. This is the first candle, second candle, third candle. The fourth candle becomes green as well. That's known as three white soldier, and those are bullish. But the reverse is when you see the red candles back to back like this, then those are three black crows and these are bearish. That means the fourth candle or potentially the fifth candle, both of them are going to be red. So we're not over just yet. Okay, if this one, we have 3 more days to close. So if you do close even at 37,000, or if you close at 36,000, you're still forming that three black crows. And I'm gonna do the Google because I like to Google things. So what the hell? Okay, three black crows. Right, here we are. And I'm gonna go to the images right here. So what do you see? Yes, something like this. So here we are. Right, so you have that spinning top kind of, and then you go down and down and down and down. Bitcoin is forming exactly something so very similar to this, that it's actually very crazy, really crazy. It seems like the next 2 months you're gonna have some bad months ahead of us. Look what happens, right? So you have the three black crows like that, 1, 2, and 3, and then you move a little bit sideways, and then you go down. So that's what I'm looking for, and this is the reason why I was actually bothered that there are more drops to actually come. So this is gonna get confirmed by 1st of February after 3 days. So if you do start to close with the red, then my friend, February is pretty sure gonna go below 32,000, and yes, go to 29,000. If it gets very nasty, big candle like this one, if you see a big candle like that again repeating, then it could go all the way down to 24K, which is, I'm predicting that Bitcoin could stop at $24,000. Who knows? But we're going to talk about it. It's not final. First of all, we are going to go to 29K, and then we're going to talk about 24K if it ever happens, because there are things that I want to let you know, and that is you go to 29K, you find support, potentially make a double bottom, and we do not go $24,000 ever, or you go below 29, go to 27, and fail the 29 back test, and then go to 24, and then you lose the 24 as well, go to 20 back test, and then you go to 17,000, and 17,000 These regions could be the absolute bottom and the best entry for Bitcoin in your lifetime, to be honest. The best entry to Bitcoin to your lifetime. Now, I still think on a higher time frame, though, the people who have invested here, they're not going to be bothered in 10 years or in 4 years or 5 years. They're going to be like kings. They're going to be telling people that I bought Bitcoin at $69,000, and they're going to be like, wow, man, you're lucky. Yeah, that's what people are going to be saying. Just as we saw Bitcoin go to $19,000 and it went to $3,000. But if you tell someone that I invested at 2017 bull top at 19K, they're going to say, wow, really? Do you understand that? That history is gonna repeat itself. But if you told them that I at the bear down here when they saw this bear market going on, making descending triangle and then go all the way down, people would say like, "Are you crazy? Why did you buy right here?" Then fast forward, wow, you're lucky. You bought at the $19,000. Funny, man. Human psychology is actually very, very funny. And that's it for today's update, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love it.